Okay, today we're going to do Kuey Teow Goreng home style. A simple Kuey Teow Goreng is not char Kuey Teow, it is Kuey Teow Goreng home style. So for this item we need, here we have red onion which is been sliced, garlic which is been sliced, and also green chili. And then here we have kuchai. Kuchai is been cut into 2 cm each slice. And then here we have some fish cakes, fish balls been cut into small pieces. Here we have some fried tofu and some chicken breast which is cut into cubes. And of course we need salt and the main item, Kuey Teow. Okay, and then here we have eggs, about 3 number of eggs that is beaten, and then we're going to fry it later on. Thank you. Here we're going to fry the eggs, not fully cooked, just about 70 to 80% cooked nicely until it looks like nice scramble. Okay, we have chicken breast here which is been marinated with a little bit of turmeric and also red chili pepper, and then we're going to fry it, just saute it a little bit. With this chicken, I'm going to add my fried tofu, which is this, and then it's cut into small cubes. I'm going to add and fry it a little bit with my chicken. Okay, it's done now. I'm going to take it out. Okay, we have our item ready for our Kuey Teow Goreng home style, which is the fish cakes and fish balls, which is being cooked and sauteed nicely. And we have onion, green chili, and also garlic. We have fried egg here, half cooked, about 70 to 80% fried, scrambled egg. And then we have some chicken breast, which has been cooked with some deep fried tofu. And we have kuchai, and the main item Kuey Teow, and the sauces. We have lekam ki, arabi, lemak manis sauce, and light soy sauce for our seasoning today. Okay, we're going to put oil, just about 100 ml of oil, normal cooking oil. Add in our garlic herbs, nicely brown it a bit, and add the onions. Just mix well, and also our green chilies. Okay, now we're going to add our chili powder, about 2 tablespoons. We can use instead of chili bowl or chili paste for this cooking. And half teaspoon of turmeric powder to give a nice color for the cooking. So just cook it well so the color is turned into red color. Nicely cook with the onions and the oil, about another 2 or 3 minutes. Okay, as you see now our sauce is nearly done. Okay, so it's nicely, the oil is nicely floating on top. It is nicely cooked. Okay, and now we're going to add the seasoning, which is the oyster sauce. Just to, let's say, about 2 to 3 tablespoons. Give a good mix. And we're going to add a little bit of light soya sauce, about 2 tablespoons. And we're going to add a little bit of lemak manis sauce, lemak manis. About 2 tablespoons as well. Give a nice mix to the sauce. And finally, we're going to add a little bit of maybe 1 teaspoon of salt. Give a nice good mix. Okay, now our sauce is nicely done. As you can see, it is nicely cooked, and all the thing, the aroma of the sauce is very nice. It's very refreshing and very tasty. And now we're going to add our main item, which is the Kuey Teow. This Kuey Teow have to be blanched earlier, so that it is nicely mixed well with the sauce. Nicely cook and nicely mix it until it's not sticky at the bottom. So shining and so nice. And on top of that, we're going to mix our fried fish balls here. Fried fish balls that we're going to just mix it. Just top it out on top. And we have our chicken breast and also some fried tofu. Just put it on top, nicely mixed. And we have our scrambled egg, which has been mixed as well. So nicely just top it out on top. And lastly, we're going to put our kucai. So our kucai is here. Okay, we just top it up. Here, done. And we're going to give a nice good mix for this homemade special Kuey Teow Goreng. See how nice the color, and also it is nice, tasty as well. Okay, now our Kuey Teow Homestyle is nicely done. So it's nicely cooked and what a nice taste is coming out. So I'm going to serve this now.